Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we're going to be talking about trends I've changed my mind about. These are things that I said I didn't like, and now I kind of like them. Was I influenced? Probably. Did I just see them a bunch of times and start to think they looked normal? Probably. Am I mad about it? No. Does this mean I'm going to be buying every single trend on here? No. That's all. Honestly, I think it's fun to look at trends and think that I will never ever wear them, and then one day I'm wearing them. It's funny. Don't take anything I say seriously, or anybody else, or even yourself. Let's get into it. So the first thing that I said I didn't like, or that I wasn't gonna buy and participate in, are ties. And these are something that I don't think I'm gonna participate in, but I do like what they've kind of transitioned into. So before we were seeing ties worn in just the normal tying a tie way, and kind of wearing it loose over like a tank top or even a collared shirt, something like that. That I wasn't super into. It gave very early 2000s Avril Lavigne, who I loved and looked up to and liked in the early 2000s, but it just didn't seem like my style now. So I didn't like it for myself. But now we're seeing people wear just a black tie or, a pattern tie, just kind of wrapped around their neck like a skinny scarf. And I think that's a really cute look, and kind of goes into my next trend that I said, maybe I never said this out loud, but that I didn't like, which were skinny scarves. So again, skinny scarves, there's a way I like it and a way I don't like it. The skinny scarf is something that I could see myself participating in if I find it at the thrift store, or a good deal on it on Poshmark or eBay or something. But I like just a black or white or cream, or a matching skinny scarf through your shirt, and wearing it with maybe an off the shoulder or a tube top is a really cute look to me. It kind of adds something that was missing in your outfit. So when I think of the tie, I think of it in the skinny scarf way of just wrapping it around with a tube top or just a low neck off the shoulder top. And I think that's cute. A winter skinny scarf is where I'm I couldn't really see myself wearing it, or even wearing it with a t-shirt or something. I feel like there's a very specific way I like the two trends. Okay, the next thing I said I wasn't a fan of are moon boots, and I still kind of stand by that. First of all, I'm not a huge fan of the tall moon boots. It gets really snowy in Michigan, but I'm never stomping through the snow where I need a moon boot like that. I think if I was a skier or snowboarder, I would wear my moon boots to the lodge and change out of them immediately, and then it'd be a cute look. But I like a shorter moon boot, and I also don't even like the brand moon boots that much. The only ones I've seen that I like are Izzy Poopy has them. She has these hot pink moon boots, and I think when she wears them, it's so cute, but it's just not something I could see myself reaching for. I got myself the Anuki ones, and I got them secondhand, so they were a lot cheaper, because that's the other thing. This is not an inexpensive trend to hop on, like a skinny scarf where you could just, or a tie where you could just go and thrift it for under $1 and try it out. A moon boot is an investment, so that's again why I was a little on the fence about them. But the shorter Anukis I have, I think, are really cute, again, for the snow and the winter time, and wearing them even with just joggers and dressing them down, or a pair of wide leg jeans. I think it's a fun and cute look, and it just makes sense for the climate I live in and what I'm doing day to day. The next trend that I wasn't a fan of, I just did not think I would hop on it at all, is silver metal. So I am a gold metal girl through and through. I think it just suits my skin tone better. But I recently got a belt with a silver metal buckle, and for some reason silver accents I think are a lot cuter on belts and purses and stuff like that. For some reason it doesn't look cheap. Gold can sometimes look really, really cheap on accessories. So I don't think I'm ever going to switch to silver hoops and silver accessories in that way, even though I think silver is definitely trending for jewelry. But I am not opposed to mixing metals. So even if I have all gold jewelry on and then I have a silver or a purse with silver details, that doesn't bother me. Okay, the next thing I changed my mind about are the round toe. When the square toe started popping off, becoming so trendy, I was young and naive, and I was why would you ever wear a round toe? Those are so dated. They don't look cool anymore. Square toe's where it's at. Square toe were just trending. They still are trending, but I think if I was to ever invest in a pair of boots, I would go for a more rounded pointed toe than a true square toe, or even a true pointed toe. I do think round toes stand the test of time, where pointed and square toes go in and out of style. And of course the square toe will always come back, but they're just more, I don't want to say offensive, but they're more aggressive where you notice them. And if you're wearing them at a time where they're not super, super trendy, they kind of stick out like a sore thumb, where a round toe is just It's just a round toe boot. There's really nothing about it. So if you're someone who likes like, you know, more avant-garde and kind of like crazy looking pieces, I could see why you would always stick to a square toe, but I'm somebody who, if I'm gonna invest, I'm gonna invest in more of a rounded toe, but I could see myself like if thrifting a square toe or something like that, because I still like them. I just don't think they'll stick around as long. They'll always just be trendy. And the last trend I changed my mind about are capris. If you guys watched my thrift haul, you'll see that I literally thrifted a pair of capris, and I was like, oh my God, they're so ugly, and they would never look good on me because I have big calves. But then I kind of said, F it, and I want to try them out. I can't even wear them yet or try them out yet, so I'm still kind of unsure if I like them on myself or not. But I've seen them styled like really cute, especially with like kitten heels or ballet flats. They're just giving very early 2000s, and I think it's fun. Even like the super wide ones that are almost gauchos, dare I say, wearing them with knee-high boots or something, I think is really fun. And again, this is a trend that you can go to the thrift store and try it out for under $5, so like why not? When trends are really inexpensive and easy to find secondhand, I'm like so for just trying them out and experimenting with your fashion. Something where I'm gonna invest in it or it's gonna be a lot of money, I'm a little bit more hesitant towards. Those are all the trends I changed my mind about. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. I love you so much. Bye.